Hi friends, my name is Timya Nidish. Today I am going to present before you about diseases, which is one of the most important topic for almost all the Kerala PSC examinations. So let's start. This is our contact details. These are the topics which I am dealing with. The first one is the diseases, pathogens, the different types of pathogens, that is bacteria, virus, fungus and protozoa, common names of diseases and the diseases and its affected organs. Types of diseases. The first type is the congenital diseases which occur at the time of birth. The second one is the acquired diseases. Acquired diseases occur after the birth. There are two types of acquired diseases, that is the communicable and the non-communicable. Communicable disease is the disease which is spread from one person to another, and non-communicable does not spread from one person to another. We will discuss about the examples in the next coming slides. And the third type is the lifestyle disease. Lifestyle disease occur due to the defective lifestyle. And the chronic disease is a long-term disease with symptoms lasting for months or years. These are the examples. Communicable diseases are influenza, polio, typhoid, measles, mumps, chickenpox, AIDS and TB. Asthma and Alzheimer's diseases are non-communicable diseases. Lifestyle disease and chronic disease. Lifestyle diseases are diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity and heart disease. Tuberculosis is a type of chronic disease. And the disease spread by rat fleas are plague. As you all know, we have to keep in mind about the common names for the diseases. The common name for plague is the Black Death. Disease caused by bite of a mad dog is rabies. The common name for rabies is hydrophobia. The most common infectious disease affects human is the common cold. The scientific name for common cold is nasopharyngitis. Uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells, they are cancer. Tuberculosis is known as the king of diseases, and the common cancer among females are breast cancer. Types of cancer that develop from bones or muscles is sarcoma. Extraction of tissues for examination to find the presence of a disease is biopsy. A class of drugs used to treat anxiety and depression is a tranquilizer. Oncology is the study of cancer. What is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is the treatment of diseases or disabilities by massaging or exercise. Next topic is the common names of some diseases. Plague is the Black Death. Tuberculosis is the White Plague. AIDS, grit disease and slim disease. Leukemia is called as the blood cancer. Rubella is the German measles. Influenza is the flu or the August fever. Shaking palsy is the common name for Parkinson disease. Now the genetic disease. Genetic disease is a disease caused by an abnormality in an individual's gene. The four diseases for genetic diseases are sickle cell anemia, color blindness, Huntington disease and hemophilia. Hemophilia, the common name for hemophilia is bleeder's disease, Christmas disease and it is also called as royal disease. Now we come to the second topic, that is the pathogens. Pathogens are the microorganisms causing disease. There are four types of microorganisms, that is the bacteria, virus, fungus and protozoa. First we will deal with bacteria. Bacteria belongs to the animal kingdom Monera. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Reproduction of bacteria is mainly by binary fission. That is, the bacteria multiplies in every 20 minutes. Viruses attack bacteria or viruses infected bacteria is bacteriophages. Bacteria that can live in soil is myxobacteria. And autotrophic bacteria is the sulfur bacteria. Antibiotics can be made from a group of bacteria called actinomycetes. Depending upon the shape, bacteria can be classified as 4 types. The first one is the coccus. It is spherical or oval shaped bacteria. The second one is the bacillus. Bacillus is a rod shaped bacteria. Third one is vibrio. It is a comma shaped bacteria. And the last one is the spirillum. Spirillum is a spiral shaped bacteria. And next topic is the bacterial diseases, that is the diseases which is caused by bacteria. That is, first one is the cholera, tuberculosis, anthrax, leprosy, typhoid, tetanus, diphtheria, gonorrhea, plague, syphilis and the Right fever. There are many diagnosis tests for each disease. So let us look into it. The diagnosis test for tuberculosis is the DOT test. The second one is the TST. TST is the tuberculosis skin test. And the third one is the Tyne test. And the fourth one is Mantoux test. The diagnosis test for leprosy is the histamine test and the lepromin test. Vidal test is the diagnosis test for typhoid. And for diphtheria it is Schick test. For syphilis there are 2 tests. First one is the VDRL test and the Wassermann test. And also to be noted, the test for cancer is the biopsy. For breast cancer it is mammography, and for cervical cancer it is pap smear test. And the next pathogen is the virus. Virus is a nuclear protein. Nuclear protein contains either RNA or DNA as genetic material. It can replicate only inside the living cell of an organism. The protein coating of virus is known as capsid. A complete viral protein particle capable of infection is virion. Next is the AIDS virus. As you all know about AIDS virus, the virus caused by AIDS is the HIV, that is the human immune deficiency virus. HIV is an RNA virus, and we all know about the World AIDS Day, that is on December 1st, and the country having the largest number of people with AIDS is South Africa. And in world, AIDS was first reported in US, that is in 1981. In India it is first reported in Chennai, and in Kerala in Pathanamthitta. Primary test for identifying AIDS is the ELISA test. Confirmatory test for HIV is the Western blot test. And the next virus we are talking about is Nipah virus. That is, I think all of you may know about Nipah virus. This virus can be transmitted from animals to humans or directly between people. Infected people initially develop symptoms including fever, headaches, vomiting and sore throat. And this can be followed by dizziness, drowsiness, altered consciousness and neurological signs that indicate acute encephalitis. And there is no treatment or vaccine available for either people or animal. Only the primary treatment we can give for humans is just the supportive care. And the first outbreak of Nipah virus in Kerala is at Calicut. In South India, Nipah was first reported in Kerala. And the next one is the Ebola virus. Ebola virus disease is a severe, often fatal illness affecting humans and other primates. The virus is transmitted to people from wild animals and then spreads into the human population through direct contact with the blood, secretions, organs or other body fluids. The first outbreak of Ebola occurred in Sudan. It was in 1976. Ebola affected African countries such as Nigeria, Guinea, Liberia, Senegal and Sierra Leone. And the next is the coronavirus. Coronavirus disease, or it is also called as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring specific treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. So they have to be very careful these times. And the next is the diseases and its viruses. It is very important for their examinations. Chickenpox is the varicella zoster virus. Common cold is the rhinovirus. Measles, rubeola virus. Rabies virus. Smallpox, variola virus. Dengue fever, IgM dengue virus. Chikungunya virus. SARS, it's the SARS coronavirus. Swine flu, H1N1 virus. Bird flu is H5N1 virus, and poliomyelitis, it is polio virus. And the next pathogen discussing is fungus. Fungus are the cleaning workers of nature. The plant does not contain chlorophyll is the fungi. Fungi, they are multinucleated. The mode of nutrition in fungi are of two. That is, first one is the saprophytic and the next one is the parasitic. The body of fungus is made up of filaments called mycelium. The individual mycelium filament is known as hyphae. The land plant without chlorophyll is mushroom, which is most important for the exams. An edible mushroom is agaricus. Mushroom which contain high toxic substances called muscarina is amanita. Fungus grows in rotten vegetables is salmonella. Fungi which grows in bread is rhizopus. Fungi which produce toxin known as aflatoxin is Aspergillus flavus. The final pathogen is the protozoa. It is a group of unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Euglena, Paramecium, Trypanosoma are protozoans. Protozoa causing leishmaniasis is leishmania. Leishmaniasis is spread by sandfly. Protozoa causing African sleeping sickness is Trypanosoma, and the African sleeping sickness is spread by tsetse fly. Protozoa causing malaria is Plasmodium. Mosquito spreading malaria is Anopheles. Protozoa causing amoebiasis is Entamoeba histolytica. Thank you so much for watching us. If you like our video, please watch it, like it and share it. Thank you.